do you want?
To be loved. For someone to be gentle but love me as hard as they possibly could. I want to feel loved more than I hear I love you. I want to be seen with x-ray vision. Cause there's more to me than skin and bones. I carry stories inside of me. I got songs and poems waiting to be unfolded.
About what?
Well, some are terrifying. About death, rejection, about breaking, about being held down and beaten by generational curses. I got stories about being stripped down until my secrets are exposed and left in my vulnerability. Having to crawl out on my own, but always crawling to the wrong direction. I got stories about God and healing. Stories about love.